Hi, so I'll show you how to use the exam.net. So you'll have to type in the link and you will have to write the exam key that I will give to you, and you're going to write your first name here, so first name, and you're going to write your last name here. Fetch the exam and you are going to start the exam. Now once you start the exam, you will not be allowed to use any other tab or to use any other app, so do not move out of that screen, else it's going to lock your screen. So you click begin exam, so you will have all the questions that will appear here, so you can start working. You will have to type your answer. So let's say question 1, you read the question and what is Q. So let's say answer is A. Number 2, you're going to type, so let's say answer is B. So you will have to be typing your answers, and you have this here, this yellow line. You can scroll that up, you can scroll that down, you can move away, you can like minimize that tab in the corner here. So here you can type in your answers. Make sure you label the questions well, and you have the superscript, the subscript if you're writing formula, the superscript if you are writing ions, right? So make sure that you have the correct script. You can include a table here. Here you have all the special characters, so you have the symbols that you can use if you want to use like degrees Celsius, or you want to use arrows. Make sure you use the correct arrows when you're writing equations. You have the reversible arrow as well, and you have these mathematical functions over here. And in this tab, so you'll show the exam, you can show it side by side like that, or you can have it right here. You just have your writing area. Here you can show the exam paper. You have a periodic table that is available to you. You have a calculator that is available, so you can do your mathematical calculations here. You have a drawing tool, so if you need to draw ionic structures or covalent structures, make sure you include the brackets. So you have the undo button, right? And you can change color, you can change the size of the line, you can draw a line, you can erase it. And once you're happy with your diagram, you have to click on save, so that it exports it to the writing area, else I will not see your diagram. Okay, so here click save, so now it's saving the picture. Okay, so this is how I will see the image. If you don't click save, I will not see. So this is the image that has been placed in the writing area. Now here is the teacher chat, so you can send your teacher messages, right? And I will be replying to you. And once you're done with everything, you can submit the exam. So here, submit the exams. Once you submit, you will not be able to edit it. In the corner here, you have the time. Okay, so you see, so on the writing area, you see the image has shown here. By the way, you will see that red cross if I'm not available. Right now the teacher is not online. So you have over here you see that time Okay, so that shows the time. And let me just show you what will happen if you try to open a tab. So let's say you want to open a tab and you are looking for answers, right? Once you go over here, your exam is locked and you will not be able to continue writing. So then you'll have to provide an explanation, and it's your teacher who will have to unlock you. So you're still waiting for the paper to be unlocked, so you're wasting time actually. And so yeah, it's still locked out, and if you try to refresh the page, it will show, but what will happen is that it will be like fresh, new. So it's still locked out, and if you try to close everything and reopen exams.net, so you'll have to enter your name and it will give you a fresh paper, so everything is lost. And the teacher will anyway see that you have logged in several times, and will have several students with your name. Well, actually you cannot log in 2 times with the same name, so the teacher will know and you will be penalized for that. Okay, so only one login, and do not open anything else, any other app, once you open exams.net. So that's it. So once you're done, just click submit, right? So